everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking today? Well, today I'm gonna try and be a little tiny bit healthy and make something I call Detox on the rocks, and it's basically vodka and a homemade green juice. So let me show you how we're gonna do it. First of all, I'm gonna rim my glass with sugar, with salt, and fill it with some ice. So that's the starter. Now, to our shaker, let's go ahead and add some Hair of the Dog vodka. Now, Hair of the Dog is a lovely, lovely new vodka we've just discovered. Let's say, I don't know what the percentage is, but a certain percent of the profits of every bottle go to animal rescue. So we like to partner with them. So we're gonna use that vodka today. So let's do a couple of shots of that. And they're actually a Southern California company. They have lots of stuff going on up in LA, so you might check them out. So there's our vodka, homemade green juice, recipes on the site, a little bit of agave. Like I said, we're trying to be a little bit healthy. If agave's healthy, I don't know. Let's go with a squeeze of lemon. Some ice in here. Oopsie. The recipe for this green juice is on the site. I particularly like it because it has a whole lemon in it, as in peel and everything. So it's very, very, very lemony and tart. Give it a shake. Okay. Make sure it's on. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that just look so healthy? So let's garnish that with a little lemon wheel. And there you go. Isn't that pretty? Let's give it a taste. It is so yummy. It's just so yummy. It's healthy. I feel so virtuous. Cheers. It's easy breezy.